Best Ever Toy TV here. We'll be presenting to you some new cars from Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Tarmac Works, and Ignition models. So check this one out first. 2019 new models from Matchbox. These are the BMW 202, Ram Flatbed, International TerraStar Ambulance, Porsche 911 Rally, Ford Pickup, Nissan NV Van, Dodge Charger, Ford Mustang, Land Rover, Chevrolet Capri, Ford Animal Control Truck, Dodge Coronet, Jeep Wrangler, Mercedes-Benz W123 Wagon, Nissan Titan Warrior Concept, Mini Swisher Armored Truck, Mini Countryman 2011, Poop King, Subaru Sandbar Truck, Subaru SVX Backhoe Tractor, Ford Interceptor, Dodge D200 Pickup 68, and the Polaris Slingshot. So here are some of the cars. Take a closer look of these cars here. Fantastic car from Matchbox. I really appreciate what Matchbox is doing here. So yeah, check out the Ford right there. Ford police vehicle right there. The Dodge D100 pickup. Fantastic all around. Again, I really appreciate what Matchbox is doing with their castings this year, and they have a lot of great cars, great details too on the cars. Yeah, and you should collect Matchbox if you have the opportunity to buy them. They are, however, harder to find than the Hot Wheels. Yeah, just take a look at that. Even their GMC school bus here really looks good. Pretty dope. Pretty dope castings. Check out the howler right there. We have the backhoe, functional and moving parts. All great cars. Check out the Beetle here, and the Matchbox 4x4, a fantasy casting. Yeah, but overall, really lots of good stuff. And check out their two new multi-packs here. No waste whatsoever here. Lots of good cars. Autobahn Express. Check out that Morris Mini and the Beetle. Damn, looks sweet. And here are some cars from Tarmac Works. Couple of GTRs here. All looking good. Lots of details. Fantastic cars here. Again, GTRs. We have to the right a Supra, and check out the headlights on that Supra. Wow, just amazing. These are a true 1/64 scale cars, and that Supra has a silver variant too with the carbon fiber hood. Great stuff. Some more pictures here. Wow. Check out the Honda Civic Type R right there at the top. Those bigger scale cars. Yeah, all looking good. So for Hot Wheels, we have this RLC Supernova Tootsie Roll Supernova here, and it looks amazing. It is a gasser. Check out the blown engine. You can see amazing details on the engine, and check out the case of this car too. It is just fantastic. Tootsie Roll case for the Tootsie Roll car. Check that one out. Yeah, pretty cool. Up next, another one from Hot Wheels. This time their mainline car. Check this one out. Dodge Viper. Good looking Dodge Viper. Fantastic details. A lot of details in this car. Yeah, check that one out. And check out the rear of the car. Pretty cool, right? No details though on the tail lights, but yeah, it looks good regardless of that. And some more new cars here for 2020. We have here the mainline Mitsubishi Evolution with the Advan Deco. This one here is the unfinished version, and this one is the finished one. Check that one out. Black, red, and gold. Looks really good together. So remember the Ford GT has the super treasure hunt. This time check out the mainline version of that Ford with the Golf livery. This time I think it is in a lighter shade of blue. Of course, plain. They use the stock Hot Wheels rims and tires on this one. Plastic rims and tires. Yeah, difference of the color is that this one is in a lighter shade of blue, and of course the super I think is in metallic or spectre flame if you call it that way. And check out here from Tomica, 50th anniversary GTR set. This set has 4, I repeat, 4 Nissan Skyline GTRs in different eras. Yeah, check that one out. Fantastic cars. Now I don't know if the black one is just the a repeat of the of last year's Skyline, but yeah, if you do know, comment down below and check this one out. New 2020 mainline Ford Escort, this time in orange. Fantastic. And check this one out here. Bigger scale cars, this time from Ignition model. This is a 143 scale Nissan Skyline GTR R33 in white. Now, if you aren't familiar with Ignition model cars, they are fantastic cars here. They make fantastic cars, fantastic details cars. However, they are quite expensive though. So if you want to try them out, you can order them online in their website. I will just post the link down below. Again, fantastic cars. For me, I'm still saving up so that I can buy Ignition model cars with the of course bigger scale cars here. 143 Honda NSX in yellow again. Wow, yellow looks good. These sports cars, supercars. And check this one out here. 1/18 scale Calisonic Skyline R32 this time here. Much bigger scale car. Calisonic Skyline R32. I mean, wow, yeah. Almost speechless with these cars here from Ignition model. Here is a 1/18 Datsun Bluebird SSS in silver. So for Datsun lovers out there, grab this car here. Most cars, I mean almost all cars here from Ignition models are JDMs. So if you love JDMs, love and have a big space for your collection, better check out Ignition model cars. 1/18 scale Nissan Skyline 2000 Turbo GTES here in white. Check out the stance of this car. Really low stance, almost touching to the ground. Take a look at the details at the back. Just amazing. This one here, next one is probably my favorite. This is the Honda EG6 1/18 scale Honda Pandem Civic. So the right headlight is missing, to make way for the air intake. And Advan tires. This one here is a Nissan Leopard 3.0 Ultima in red. Fantastic. I think this this car here is based also on the Nissan Bluebird. They look similar, so probably the same engine in real life with the Silvia. Here is another NSX, this time in black. 143 scale model Honda NSX, and the black one has red interior. Check out the rear of the car. Man, who doesn't love NSX? Honda and Acura NSX, they all look fantastic. Another NSX here in blue with different shades and different detailing on the interior. This time it is in black with some yellow details on the interior. Check out the rear of the car here. Again, fantastic. Dual exhaust system. Another one here. This is the silver 143 scale Nissan Skyline GTR R33, and coming together with bronze, five spoke bronze rim. Fantastic GTR on the plate. And the last car here in today's video, another GTR, this time in purple. Gold rims with chrome lip right there. Yeah, kind of like deep dish rims here. Purple. Check out the rear interior. No, not the rear interior. Rear taillights. Rear details on the car. So those are all the cars in today's news. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. That's Best Ever Toy TV. Bye bye guys, see you soon. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of the day.